Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. To stop pop-up ads on your iPhone, you can simply try following methods. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the Settings app, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the apps option available there. Now once you tap on the apps, look for the Safari inside it. You can tap on the search address bar in the top and search for the Safari as well, or simply scroll down and tap on it. Now, once you tap on the Safari, here you can see block pop-ups option available. Scroll down and make sure that this is toggled on. You can block pop-up ads in Safari by enabling content blockers. Now, once you do so, go back to the settings again and tap on the general, then tap on the software update and make sure you have the latest version of iOS installed. Sometimes pop-up ads are a result of outdated software. So, if there is any update available, simply tap on the update now and update it. Now lastly, simply go back to the settings again. Once inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the privacy and security option available there. Inside privacy and security, scroll down and look for the Apple advertising option available there. Then inside Apple advertising, if personalized ads is toggled on, then toggle this off. This will prevent Apple from showing ads based on your interest and activity. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.